Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing fantastic. And today we got another box from Barrel and Blade. But before we get into it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you ring the notification bell so you can notify when I upload new content. And yes, let's do it. Alright, so we got Barrel and Blade, and as always, if you're interested in checking them out, I will have a link to their website in the description box of this video. They only have two levels of their boxes. They are monthly, and the level 1 box will set you back around 50 bucks a month, and the level 2 will set you back a cool hundo. So $100 for that level 2 box. Right? Yeah, right. Alright, let's see what we got here this month. And they do give you this shredded up like cardboard stuff, which makes really good fire tinder. Just so you guys are wondering why I like that, that's what I use it for, fire tinder. And we've got a card, and they tell you this is Operation 60. Yeah, Operation 60. And they do have a list of the contents for level 1 and level 2, which we'll get into after we're done. We're just going to start pulling stuff out here. We got something from a company called Zack Tool. In Word, this is a handcuff key. Okay. Yeah, make of this what you will, but this is supposedly a handcuff key. That's on a. It's got a little key ring, but yeah, it says it's a handcuff key, and it's got a thing on the end of it. I'll have to check that out in a card. It's interesting to get a handcuff key. So I guess if you find yourselves in handcuffs quite a bit, this is something that would come in handy, I guess. It's definitely something to put on your keychain. And you know, when people are hanging around and you pull your keys out and somebody notices and say, "Hey, what is that?" So, "Oh, it's a handcuff key," and just let their imagination kind of go wild on that one. Okay, we got the not ATF meme guy, their little patch that is Velcro, and it looks like this is kind of random. Is this a P38 can opener? Okay, so here's the little patch, so you can see it a little bit better, and it is Velcro. The not ATF dude, and yeah, this looks like a P38. Okay. So they give us a P38 can opener, which is still, what is this thing, like a couple cents? But still, it was in a little bag, so yeah. Always need, a good little can opener like that. And let's see, we got something from Voodoo Tactical, a tactical pen. It's called the Grunt. Compact whistle. So compact whistle, a stainless steel pocket clip, CNC machine, aircraft aluminum body with a glass breaker tip. Made for writing and emergencies. It's 4 1/8. So there you go, Voodoo Tactical. I do have experience with the company Voodoo Tactical, and I think I've said this in one of my prior videos. I did get something in another box from Voodoo Tactical, and actually the gun bag, the tote for my gas gun, is actually a Voodoo Tactical bag. And I'm going to tell you, I've said it in the prior video, I'm going to say it again, that it's a very good bag. It's held up very well. I'm very happy. So from that experience with Voodoo Tactical, I will say I'm very happy. So don't have anything bad to say about them as a company. And that is everything. We got burn-proof gear. Okay, it's obviously a bag. It's obviously a bag, but it's from a company called Burn-Proof Gear. Let's see. It's a globally recognized PPE manufacturer for law enforcement, military, and civilian markets, known for combat-proven suppressor covers. Okay. All right. Let's see what this is. This is obviously some kind of pouch, but it says that it is flame retardant. so you ain't got to worry about burning up. So let's see what we got here. It looks like just a, oh, it's like a fanny pack. Yeah, see, it's like a fanny pack. Okay, and it's got nice breathable mesh on this side. Let's see. It's got a front pocket. It's got a little front pocket, and then it has a top pocket that opens into the compartment, and let's see, to the main compartment, I should say. And it does have 2 wheat poles on the bottom. So yeah, just a little bag. It has, and like I said, it's like it's more like a fanny pack. Actually, I'm just going to say this: it's a fanny pack. This is what this is. It's a fanny pack. It's a tactical it's a tactical multicam fanny pack, which is fine, you know, because you know if you're going to put something like this on out in the woods, nobody's going to make fun of you for wearing a fanny pack in the woods. You wear this out in public, people may look at you sideways. Just saying. Okay, so we got a Kershaw, a knife, because as I said, guys, this is barrel and blade, so they can't really call themselves barrel and blade without giving you a knife. So let's see what kind of knife we got. What model is this? About your new Kershaw knife. Cool, but what model is it? Misdirect. Model number 1365, if you're wondering. So let's go ahead and take it out and see what it's all about. Okay, let's see. First try, always good. Nice frame lock. Ooh, a real nice looking blade. Okay, this is a very slim profile of a knife, but it is a very pretty knife. And I'm going to tell you, I don't know how you guys feel, and that's what the comment section is for. Let me know. I'm a knife guy, okay? I really like my blades, and I'm going to tell you, I have really been impressed with Kershaw. I know a lot of people hate on them because of their more lower budget knives, but I'm going to tell you, I really like what Kershaw's been doing with a lot of new models that they've, you know, a lot of new blades that they've come out with. And I'm going to tell you, this is a really nice looking little EDC knife. I mean, look at that. It's not big. Has a belt clip. Even has a lashing hole here on the end. Has some nice jimping on the back here. Even has some on the top of the spine right here. I don't know how good that's going to come in behind my black t-shirt, but right here. So when you're holding, you do have a natural thumb rest that you do have some jimping there, so you can put, you know, you can get good purchase there. And the blade, it's cool because the blade is thick enough, and it does taper down, you know, right here, about right here, it starts tapering down, and I doubt very seriously you're going to be able to see that. So when you have your thumb on it and you actually press down, it's not cutting into your thumb, you know, because I've had some blades that, you know, I guess to save money, they'll make the blade just really thin, and it can be uncomfortable on your thumb. So I'm impressed. This is a really nice little EDC knife. Like it. Let's see what the car's got to say for this month. Okay, keep in mind, a level 1 is $50. So if you bought the level 1 box from Barrel and Blade, you would have got the Condor fanny pack. There you go, fanny pack. So this is from Condor. So you would have got this in a level 1. You would have got the Misdirect, which they say the fanny pack's $30. They say the Kershaw Misdirect knife is $40. The Voodoo Tactical Pen is $15. The Not ATF Guy Morale Patch is $5. The Zach Tactical Handcuff Key is $10, and the P38 can opener is 75 cents. You would have got all that in the level 1. Wait a minute. Then what did I get in the level 2? Oh, wait a minute. Sorry. If you got the level 1, you would have got just a Condor fanny pack. In the level 2, you got the Burn Proof Gear crossbody fanny pack. Okay, and you would have got all the other stuff. Now, they say that in the level 1 box, the Condor fanny pack was 30 bucks. They say that this, in the level 2 box, this is 90 bucks. Man, tell me what you guys think. 90 bucks for a burn-proof fanny pack? I mean, yo, that's 90 bucks. That's a lot of money. That's a lot of money for a little fanny pack. And then, you know, the same, of course, the knife's 40 bucks, the pen's 15, patches 5, the handcuff key's 10 bucks. Let's see what they say about this handcuff key. It says handcuff keys are of a standard design and are compatible with all standard series handcuffs, made of heat-treated stainless steel and designed to provide an indefinite period of service with a lifetime warranty. So have no fear, man. You getting yourself out of handcuffs is covered for a lifetime. Okay, there you go. Okay, so guys, what do you think? What do you think about this box for 100 bucks? You know, do you think it's a good deal? I think it's a good deal. I mean, I like the fanny pack. I'm gonna just respectfully, I think, disagree on the fact that I believe that this right here, if I were in a store and I saw this for 90 bucks, this would not be something that I would pick up and consider buying for 90 bucks. Just putting that out there. Okay, so that's it for the Operation 60 of Barrel and Blade. Let me know what you think for 100 bucks. Think it's worth it? Let me know. And comment section, let me know about any of this stuff, you guys. If you got any opinions about this little Kershaw knife, I would really like to engage with you and hear what you have to say about that. I'll put a next video up here. I'll put a subscription button somewhere right there. And let me know what you guys think. Would you guys be happy? Do you subscribe to Barrel and Blade? Are you happy? Or do you have any criticisms about any of this stuff? Let me know. And with that, guys, I'm out of here. I will see you in the next one. Peace.